Right now. This, so put the knife in my body. There you go. It's your kid. Cut it with your mother. And never put me on right or so. Or we'll cut it together. So without us, you would not be here. So, somebody say one. Two. Three. Cut it here. Listen, shall we get a round of applause, please? So, Marco, it's not a baby party, it's a teenage party, so we're not going to talk too long. Anybody have anything they want to say?
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, Unstoppable family. So this is another topic, another video, another review. So let's jump right to it. So people, the Angel and Beenie Man, the doctor, son, 13-year-old Marco Dean celebrated his birthday just over the weekend. Now people, as a good father should, Beenie Man turned out as usual in support of his kids. Now me personally, me believe say a child need them father in them life, especially a boy Pitney, and Beenie Man is doing just that as a father and representing and pretty them life well as far as social media allows us to see. Well people, not only this, just a couple months ago we see Beenie Man posted to his Instagram platform Marco Dean's graduation, and Beenie Man posted the caption with this video, and he says, "This is when parents put the child first and not themselves. Angel, appreciate you every time." Now that just goes to show when two parents who are no longer together can put them differences aside and be adults for the sake of the child. Now people, this even hard upon the Angel and Beenie Man, because they are celebrities in the public's eyes who people always want judge and pass remarks and have them own opinion about for them life. You understand? But big up to Beenie Man, big up to the Angel, the two of them are look out for them Pitney and a co-parent the way parents should. Now let's take a look at Marco Dean's birthday celebration. The little video we have, alright, and then we move forward. Big up on yourself, not go nowhere. In the meantime, go and comment in the comment section and talk up some things down there. We move forward.
Marco Dean 13th birthday. So, Marco Dean at 13. Yeah. Can everybody help me sing happy birthday to Marco Dean, please? My youth, forward rollers and my youth. I'm gonna see you get too tall. Watch yourself.
Always.
Hey. See you get too tall. Watch yourself. Alright. Can everybody help me join in and sing the song for me, please? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marco. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday, dear Marco. May the good Lord bless you. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! You have to say it 10 more times. Hip hip! Happy 13th birthday, son. Yeah. So, for those who are here for Marco Dean's birthday, we are all here for it. Great. So, we wish you many. Minus your cut. Whoa. So, Marco. Seriously?
Yeah.
Alright, finish? Are you good? Alright, good. Alright, happy 13th. Come in, Mark. Alright, we are cut the cake.
Now blow the candle.
You have to blow the candle.
Everybody.
You have to cake it, everybody can cut one. Blow the candle. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. One more.
Lungs.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thier.
Thier.
Ready?
Hold on. 1 second. Hold on. I did it.
Give him a round of applause, please. Yes, Marketing, the third thing right there. So, now listen. Now that you're a man, you're 13-year-old, you're not a boy anymore, come over here. Right here, right here. See? You're a man right now. See? So put the knife in my point. There you go. You see your kid? Cut it with your mother and make a cook and right as well. And we have cut it together. So without us, you would not be here. So, somebody say 1, 2, 3, cut it here. Good. Listen, shall we get a round of applause, please? So, Martha, it's not a baby party, it's a teenage party, so we're not going to talk too long. Anybody have anything they want to say?
Happy birthday, Marco. On this very same day, I gave birth to a life. And now he's 13 years of age. And time flying, man. So I just want to say, Marco, I love you. All the best to you, son. And I know you're going to be great and a great leader. And, you know, just an awesome young man. Happy birthday to you, Marco Dean. Mommy loves you. Yeah. Does anybody have anything to say?
Marco, like seriously.
Ding, 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 ding. Okay.
Yo, Marco, your birthday is nice. I'm going to enjoy myself, but I come early. I'm going like poolside on this one. Yeah, well, I know still. Marco, last year was a birthday, I'm there. And that year, I'm there. So, what I know still, say, happy birthday, and I wish you many more birthdays. Yeah, like seriously.
So Marco, yeah, we have cut up your button.
Yeah, forward.
Yeah, forward. I forgot. So, each and every one, thank you for being here. And thank you for supporting Marcadine. All the Marcadine friend them, and all the Marcadine friend them, and all the Marcadine friend them. And family, and brothers and sisters, and mother and grandmother, and uncles and aunties. Good, we are all here. So Marcadine, happy birthday. Jackie, that's the sound.
Good night, everyone. Happy birthday, and I wish you all the best. And you know I love you straight up to the top.
So, selector, now we'll play some Beenie Man.
Annie Angel.
So I wanna like how the Angel and Beenie Man co-parenting together to make sure say Marco Dean, which is them son, have both parents in him life, despite they are not together, but they are together for them son. Wanna get it, right? Yeah, anyway, touch me down in the comment section, make me know what you think about this. So I say, it's a good look in my opinion. I understand. Me like to see when parents can come together, put them differences aside as me say, and make sure say the child is happy. Do it for the children. See, if only more parents out there would have do that instead of use the pitney for, you know, boy, me I tell you. Anyway, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Watch out. Now, remind you again, if you do not subscribe to the live channel yet, make sure to go over and go hit the subscribe button now. It's Unstoppable Live. The link will be down in the description of this video. That is where we have some fun, entertaining conversations Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday night at 9 p.m. Eastern. See, you don't want to miss it because guess what? Over there so lit at night time. See, me done with this again, no matter what I do, nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.